Hey, my name is Kalam. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create movie explain video using AI. It's absolutely free for joining. You can see this video
Andy Dufresne is charged with the murder of his
and this video.
की सजा सुनाता है और सजा के बाद उसे
These two videos are amazing, right? So exactly, I'm going to show you how to create this type of video using AI. It's absolutely free for joining. So this link I will attach in my video description for easy access. First, I'm going on invideo AI. You need to log in here with your Gmail. So first, click on make explainer video. Then here are write how many minute your video long. So I select 5 minutes. Then I paste a title. How the Shawshank Redemption deserves its top IMDb rating. So here are you can select only generate clips, only stock media. I select because this is a free account. So if you want to write here add relevant informations, exactly what type of video you want to, just you can describe here. So if you want to background music, click here. Then I write here movie. So this AI tool add a background music for movie related. Then I need to click on voice actors. Then click on male. Then you can select anyone. Then middle age British voice. Okay, this is good. Narrow one person speakers. Okay, everything are good. Then select your language. I select English. If you have Italian, French, German, Spanish, Dutch, Hindi, Portuguese, and here are the lots of language supported. So I default English. Then click on continue. Then again click on generate video. So this is a final step. I need a more one step for creating this video. Once you have done this process, you need to select stock media or generative media. If you select generative media, this is a paid version, but my account are free. Then I select stock media. Then audience type, select film and movie. Okay, movie buffs. Then look and feel, dramatic, inspirational. Okay, I select inspirational. Then platform are YouTube. Then click on again continue. You can see again these video are going to be created. Wow, these video are ready for downloading, but I need to check here are any mistake and any false informations. That click on edit button. Then you can see this is a stock footage, import from storyblog, then etc platform. Then if you want to upload your own image, then you can see this is upload media, stock media, and generative media available. Then if you want to add a music, here are lots of music available, you can add. Then script, if you have found any mistake here, any recorrection need, you are able to doing everything and anything here. There is a setting button, you can adjust any setting, overlay present, transition present, and etc. You are able to manage everything and anything. So if I playing this video.
Right then, let's talk about this brilliant film directed by Frank Darabont tells a timeless story.
Okay, I already watched this video at least 2 rounds. Then I did not found any mistake here because this is movie explain only video. Now I need to click on download button. Then selected a type of watermark. So I select stock watermark, then normal 180, and I click on downloads. It's already working as well, downloading right now. So this is a method how you can create any movie explanation video using this invideo AI tool. It's absolutely free for joining. So if you have any questions about this video and any others, please comment below. I would like to read comment. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.
Right then, let's talk about this brilliant film directed by Frank Darabont tells a timeless story about hope and never giving up. It came out in 1994, starring the fantastic Tim Robbins and the captivating Morgan Freeman. This cinematic masterpiece is still loved by people all over the world. It's got a whopping 9.3 rating on IMDb, making it one of the highest-rated films ever. The story takes place in the tough Shawshank State Penitentiary, a place where hope seems to be in short supply. Andy Dufresne, played by Tim Robbins, is wrongly sent to prison for murder, a crime he didn't commit. Even though things are grim and he faces a lot of hardship, Andy never loses hope. He becomes friends with another inmate, Ellis "Red" Redding, played by Morgan Freeman. Red's become a bit cynical after spending so long inside, but Andy's optimism starts to change him. The film's so popular because it really connects with people on a deep emotional level. It explores what it means to be human, reminding us that hope is powerful, even in the darkest of times. The Shawshank Redemption is more than just a prison film. It's a story about the strength of the human spirit, resilience, and the enduring power of hope. The Shawshank Redemption explores big ideas that go beyond the prison walls, touching on universal themes that resonate deeply with audiences. Hope is a really important theme in the film. It's portrayed as a beacon of light for the inmates, something that keeps them going even in the darkest times. It's like a light for the inmates, a glimmer of something better that they can hold on to. Andy's unwavering belief in a better future, even though he's locked up, inspires everyone around him. His hope is contagious, and it spreads to the other inmates. He never gives up on hope, even when things are tough, and that reminds us how important a positive attitude is. His determination to improve the prison library is a testament to his enduring hope. Friendship is another key theme that the film explores deeply. We see this in the relationship between Andy and Red. Their bond grows stronger over time, providing them both with much-needed support. At first, they're a bit wary of each other, but they become really good mates. Their friendship is built on mutual respect and shared experiences. This friendship helps them both to cope with the harsh realities of prison life. It shows how important it is to have someone to lean on. The film shows us how important it is to have friends, especially when you're feeling isolated. Their conversations and shared moments provide a sense of normalcy in an otherwise bleak environment. Redemption is another powerful theme that runs throughout the film. We see it in the journeys of lots of the characters. Each one is seeking some form of redemption, whether it's for past mistakes or for the life they lost. Andy's fight for justice and his determination to get his life back shows us what redemption means. His escape is the ultimate act of reclaiming his life. Red also changes a lot throughout the film. His journey from cynicism to hope is profound. He starts off cynical but learns to be hopeful again, showing us that second chances are possible. His eventual release and reunion with Andy is a powerful moment of redemption. The film looks at these big ideas alongside a realistic view of prison life, and that's why it connects so deeply with people. It shows the human spirit's resilience and the possibility of change. The Shawshank Redemption reminds us that even when things are bad, hope can grow, friendships can help, and it's always possible to change for the better. It's a timeless message that continues to inspire. Has been a favorite for decades. Its story of hope, friendship, and resilience really connects with people. Tim Robbins and Morgan Freeman are brilliant, bringing these complicated and relatable characters to life. The film's message about never giving up, even when things are tough, is truly inspiring, and that's why so many people love it. The Shawshank Redemption has had a huge impact since it came out, captivating audiences worldwide with its powerful storytelling and unforgettable characters. It's inspired loads of filmmakers and writers, setting a high standard for stories about interesting characters and compelling narratives that resonate deeply with viewers. Its themes of justice, redemption, and the strength of the human spirit have really left their mark on our culture, influencing countless other works in film and literature. The film is still so popular and people still talk about it, which shows what a powerful legacy it has, continuing to inspire new generations of fans and creators.